In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the mini menu when selecting text in Microsoft Edge, a feature that some users find a bit distracting. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, fire up your computer and open Microsoft Edge. You'll usually find the Edge icon on your desktop or taskbar, but if not, a quick search should pull it up in no time. Once you have Edge open, your attention should shift to the top right corner of your browser. There, you'll notice three small dots aligned vertically. These dots are your gateway to a variety of options, and in this context, they serve as the menu button. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu will appear, revealing a suite of settings and options designed to enhance your browsing experience. Now, from the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. It might be a tad overwhelming with all the options, but no worries, we're here to focus on just one aspect today. Clicking on Settings will transport you to a new tab where you'll notice a list on the left-hand side. It spans topics like privacy, default browser configuration, and many more. For our purpose, direct your attention to Appearance. It's conveniently placed in the list to ensure a smoother navigation experience for users dealing with visual preferences. Once you've clicked on Appearance, let yourself scroll down the page gradually. As you scroll, you'll encounter various features that allow you to tweak how your browser looks and operates to better fit your style. Here, you're on the lookout for an option labeled Context Menus. It might take a little scrolling to locate, but it's right there nestled among other settings that refine your Edge browsing experience. Go ahead and click on it. Under Context Menus, you'll find the option Show Mini Menu when selecting text. This is the feature that springs into action every time you select text, providing quick access to options like copy, search, and translate, but not everyone prefers it popping up. To deactivate this feature, simply give the toggle switch on the right a click. It's a straightforward switch, an on and off setup. So with one click, you're essentially telling your browser to ease up on those pop-up actions every time you highlight some text. And with that, you're all set. You've successfully customized your Edge experience by turning off the mini menu feature. It's always handy to know how to tailor these little tools to better suit your browsing needs. Whether you're aiming for a cleaner look or fewer distractions, every detail adds up to a more personalized tech engagement. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide on enhancing your Microsoft Edge experience, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.